Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Check out this beautiful 2019 Ram 1500. Now we're about to get a storm, so I'm gonna go quick. She is running. She sounds great. Beautiful truck. Got the running boards on it. Tires are almost new. They're the Goodyear Wranglers. Got a bed cover here. She is a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder four-wheel drive. Look at the sky. We're about to get it. All right, check out this. Let me see if I can pop the tailgate and show you her rollout tray. I'm not sure what you properly call it. Cargo Glide, handcrafted in the great old USA. Let me see if I can get it out for you. All right. There we go. Easy peasy, did it with one hand. Woo, hear the thunder. And I'm not gonna roll this back, but you can, this is like in the 3 layers where you can flip, flip, and flip. I'm not gonna do that because we got a storm a-coming. So I'm just trying to get this done for you right now. All right, so I got the nice roll-in tray, and she is locked, so you're not gonna beat the tailgate going down the road. That's a nice feature. Got the trailer hitch or tow package down there. Nice wheels. Check out those tires. Tread depth is like new. I haven't measured them, but they're like new tires. And there's your running board. Let's take a look at the inside. Oh, check out the mirror. Got the tow mirrors, so you can flip it for when you're towing and see better, and then push it right back down. Passenger side does the same thing. And let's take a look at the inside. She's got 61,842 miles. 61,000 miles on her. Dodge floor mats, Ram floor mats, sorry about that. Back seat does raise up. So if you need to store something under there or extra space. And here's some 16 miles to the city, 23 in the highway. And this is on the website as well. You don't have to pause and read this. There's my website, kylesautosales.com. Call me 704-213-0169. She does have a clean title, clean Carfax, no accidents, 1 owner. And she has been inspected. And she is the Ram Classic. Whew. It's a thundering out here. Let's jump in here. We'll go through the dash right quick. Turn the radio down. All right. You know, it's nice and cool outside. I might as well just leave this down and enjoy it. It is cool and the wind's blowing. And we got our Bluetooth phone. Check out the odometer. 61,842. Very nice. We have been driving this truck for over 100 miles. She's great, no issues at all. There's the 4-wheel drive goodies. And we do have the backup camera. We'll put it back there. And let's go through this. There's the more. 84 degrees outside. It feels good out there. And back to the radio. No media because I'm not connected. I'm just doing this for you. And we do have Sirius Radio. You get that free for 90 days.
Breathe. And it's true that some days.
Nice stereo. Can't play it because we don't have rights to the music. Then you got a compass. Let's see what else we got. There's where you can do all your goodies there. I'm gonna get out there and show you the engine before this storm comes in. 4-wheel drive. And let's see. Yeah, I still want to take you around and show you the passenger side. So let's get out, walk around right quick, and see if I can get this done for you before it starts raining. Seats look great. Let's see if we can get under the hood. Ooh, the sky's getting dark. All right. There's her 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine. Purring like a kitten under here. She sounds great. All right, let's put this back down. She sounds great. She looks great. Here we got a 2019 Ram 4-wheel drive V6. Just about new tires on her. She's a 4-wheel drive. Got the rolling tray in the bed. Oh, I was going to show you the passenger side. Sorry, the storm's kind of on my mind. I'm a little concerned about it. And we do have the owner's manual here in this. Let me see if I can get it out for you. I'm trying to get this out with one hand here. You know I'm struggling. I can't get it out with one hand. So trust me, there's an owner's manual right there. Just can't get it out right now. This does raise for the, if you got somebody in the middle seat, you can put a third person up there. Ooh, it is thundering. I think I did show you that. There's the running board. Trying to think anything else I need to show you or tell you. She's great. Very nice truck. Very nice Ram. Body's in excellent condition. So if you have any questions, call me at 704-213-0169. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Beautiful 2019 Ram, 4-wheel drive, V6. Clean title, clean Carfax, one owner, no accidents. She sounds great. She looks great. No issues at all. We have enjoyed her for a little while. Oh, it's starting to drizzle now. All right, I think I got it done for you. Ooh, you hear the thunder. Got the bed liner and then the tray on the inside. Tow package. All right, I think that's gonna do it. Again, you got any questions, call me 704-213-0169. Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Thank you very much for your time. Please hit like and share. I'd very much appreciate that. Please subscribe. And please tell your family and friends to come buy from me. And if they do, I'll give you $100. Thank y'all very much for your time. Ooh, it's getting dark out here now. We're getting ready to get a good storm. All right, I guess that's gonna do it. Yeah, did you hear that? I certainly heard it. I think I'm ready to go in. Check out the sky. Ooh, it's getting dark. Feels wonderful out here. A little breeze, drops of water. Feels great. Okay, time for me to go. Thank you very much. Give us a call, 704-213-0169. Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Time for me to get in and get this truck back. Y'all have a great day and enjoy your summer. Thank you. Goodbye.